guys, winters, and cheers guys. Let's have coffee together. I have already done my brows guys because I'm also in a hurry, so I have to do makeup real fast today. I'm just going to be doing my lid first. So for my lid, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I have to go to a party. बहुत जल्दी करना पड़ेगा आज मेकअप. In fact मैं इतनी जल्दी मेकअप करती नहीं हूँ. I always take like half an hour to get ready. Now I'm going to be using the Twilight, the limited edition palette. I've also used this palette earlier in my videos. I'm going to grab the shade Amber. I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other side as well. I'm using very light hand because the shadows are really pigmented. So I prefer using really soft hand to blend my eyeshadow. So the next shade I'm going to be taking is this Rose Veil shade on my crease line. I'll be using the same blending brush. You know guys what, I really don't like using too many brush just for the eyes. I always use 2 brush, which I think is enough. I like this blending brush, and I also had a flat brush. Sometimes I do for my crease, or sometimes I take product from that and apply onto my lid. These 2 brushes are enough for my eyes. You don't need too many brushes to do your eye makeup. It's not necessary कि आप 2 से ज़्यादा ब्रश यूज़ करें. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप एक ही ब्रश से कर सकते हैं तो why not? So the next shade I'll be taking is this Tiramisu. Now this shade is a deep brown shade, so I'll apply at the outer corner of my lid. Cut the crease, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and ये काफ़ी thick concealer है, so I prefer using this one. And I'm gonna be taking this Byzantine shade over here with my ring finger and apply this on my lid. Now I'm going to be taking the Focallure eyeliner pen, and I'm just going to make a wing liner. So face के लिए मैं use कर रही हूँ Color Bar का Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. I'm going to be using any foundation today for this look. I'll be using the new Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is my all-time favorite concealer. Winters में मैं बहुत कम फाउंडेशन का यूज़ करती हूँ. I like to use concealer because ज़्यादा heavy makeup मेरा करने का मन नहीं करता है in winter time. So this is the Nykaa Compact Powder, और ये है shade Natural Ivory में. Next for the bronzer, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Brunette Harmony. It has 2 shades. One is for the highlighter, and this one is for the bronzer. I really like this bronzer too. It's really nice. काफी natural look देता है. I will use the same bronzing powder on my nose as well, and also under my lips. And I'm going to be using the shade Amber on my lower lash line. Lakme Iconic Kajal on my upper waterline. So for the blush, I'm using the Maybelline ColorShow blush. So next for the mascara, I'm using the MAC's Fanatic mascara by Wet n Wild. This is such a good mascara. बहुत अच्छे से आपके lashes को वॉल्यूम देता है. And these lashes are so amazing. I always like to use Adele lashes because they are so good. काफ़ी लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि मैंने कौन से lashes लगाए हैं. It looks so amazing. It was really hard for me to put lashes. बहुत पहले की बात है यार guys, मुझे ना lashes भी लगाना नहीं आता था. I was like कि oh god कैसे लगाना है इसे. And I used to, पता है मैं पहले ना वो बहुत अजीब से ग्लू आते थे, मैं वो यूज़ करती थी. कुछ तो ऐसे लैशेज़ आते हैं जिनके साथ ग्लू भी आते हैं, तो मैं वैसे लैशेज़ यूज़ किया करती थी. बट ओह गॉड वो लगाना इतना डिफ़िकल्ट लगता था मुझे, बिकॉज मुझे आता ही नहीं था कि यार कैसे लगाना है लैशेज़. और मुझे अभी भी परफेक्टली नहीं आता है, बट आई स्टिल ट्राई टू डू बेस्ट. नाउ फॉर द हाइलाइटर आई एम यूजिंग द Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. I'm going to be taking the shade Lucky Clover. The lipstick, I'm using the Milani lipstick, and this is in the shade Devotion. So guys, now I'm going to do my hair. So hair के लिए मैं सबसे पहले यूज़ करूँगी Matrix का Professional Split and Serum. मैं इसे अपने hand में लूँगी just 2 drops, and I'm going to apply this all over my hair. इससे काफ़ी स्मूथ और सिल्की टेक्सचर देता है मेरे बालों को. इससे काफ़ी अच्छा शाइन भी आता है बालों में, जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Wega Styler's Streaking Iron. Just going to do in sections. Hair clip which I am using is from the Miniso. She's a straight curly. I'm just going to dress up and I'm going to show you what am I wearing for the party, so I'll be right back. So now I'm using this Toni&guy Sea Salt Texturizing Spray, and I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. और ये आपके बालों का जो स्ट्रेटनिंग होगा वो भी काफ़ी देर तक स्ट्रेटनिंग जो होंगे ख़राब नहीं होंगे. So for that also I use this. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you like this look. I'm wearing this black dress and I'm just going to show you in full view camera में मैं आप लोगों को अपनी dress दिखाऊंगी. And hope you like my video, and please do not forget to subscribe and like my channel if you like, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post any sort of videos. अब मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ अपने next video में. Bye.
Thank you.